The Lucy Fisher is a replica Victorian paddle steamer operated by French Brothers Limited. It's primarily used for pleasure cruises on the Thames River at Runnymede, offering trips between Old Windsor and Runnymede.
Yeah. Houses, yes. But speak the horn to us. Fantastic.
Yay, we got one way.
Oh yeah.
Walking in history.
Welcome to Surrey.
Welcome to Surrey.
Check out the view of the river, BT Angel. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the people.
They
all
look like
enjoying
they're
the
doing
water walks.
paddleboarding.
Absolutely. Look at it. 8th century, a rule of law, 15th of June, 1215.
Wow.
For the 100th subscriber, BT Angel.
100 subscriber, TJ.
If you become the 100th subscriber, then you're going to be getting some goodies.
Oh, I like goodies.
And there's a hat kernel, isn't there, with a badge on it with a 100th subscriber on it, a bit exclusive. Yeah. This is nice, BT Angel, isn't it? Here,
yes.
Monarch.
Yeah.
Lovely.
And those ones over there, TJ.
Absolutely.
That looks like it's got like a little pedal at the back.
Get a nice shot of that.
Yep.
Oh, there's another sign. Look at this boat. Isn't this stunning? So with prices on the boat trips, viewers. There we go, BT Angel. Look at these.
And they've got departure times.
Yeah, so 45-minute trips. Boat trips on the Lucy Fisher, viewers. Departure times at 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Adults £10, children £6.70, seniors is £9.50, family £26.70, another family 30 quid. So that's not too bad. So it says explore 45-minute trip from here on board the famous Lucy Fisher, star of the films Tarzan Greystone. Oh, that kind of Tarzan, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And Chaplin.
Yep.
Lucy Fisher is suitable for all, including groups, with very good access for these with accessibility issues, including wheelchair users. So you can take your wheelchairs on there as well on the boat. So there you go, viewers. Maidenhead to Windsor, Runnymede to Windsor, Runnymede to Hampton Court, 45-minute trips on Lucy Fisher.
Yep.
There you go. Looks very, very nice.
Maidenhead.
There you go, viewers. Was just telling you about the boat trip, and it's just come in. Look there, viewers. Look, isn't that stunning? What a stunning boat. Hello. Walking in History YouTube. How are you? Absolutely a stunning boat. There you go, viewers. We won't get the people on the boat, but there it is. So we'll watch that sail down the river. Look at that, BT Angel. You can actually see the smoke coming out the back of it, and the paddle on the back, like a paddle steamer, Lucy Fisher.
So is it like an old-fashioned one? Paddles?
It's like a paddle.
Paddle boat?
No, steamboat. Steamboat? What do they call that system, Colonel? What do they call that system? Got another launch coming up here, BT Angel.
Oh wow, look how big that one is, TJ.
Steamboat, is it on paddle boat? Paddle boat, yeah, look at that launch. Yeah. There's one big one here, look.
The Lucy Fisher is currently owned and operated by French Brothers Limited. The boat underwent a recent refurbishment.
Viewers, this magnificent boat, we've been speaking to a couple of people here that have bought the boat in, absolutely lovely people, and they said when you come on board you can always get some snacks and some crisps, so they look after you on this boat, so check them out. As you can see, with the wide decks, then it's wheelchair accessible, so there's no problems there if you need to get up your wheelchairs. They've obviously facilitated for that. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, and
the boat has a history of being featured in films like Greystoke and Chaplin.
Isn't it? For wheelchairs, yeah. There you go. Check this, how beautiful it is. Look at the words, how stunning it is. We don't get to see this. My viewers in America and Australia will love this. Absolutely love this. This is Runnymede, and if you come and visit from Magna Carta, go on a boat trip. Stunning boat. So we're just going to wait for it to come past and see what kind of trips we can go. Let's see if we get some few people to wave to YouTube. What we got, BT Angel? Are we good?
Yes, we are, TJ.
There you go, YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, Walking in History YouTube.
The Lucy Fisher has a past as a filming location, appearing in movies like Greystoke and Chaplin. It's a popular choice for group trips, including the Jungle Book cruise, which includes a hot dog snack with a drink.
It's really nice along here. It's really, really nice.
If you want to see what BTCC, Angel and TJ get up to when they are not on the history trail, then check out the dedicated playlist. BTCC Angels dives into on and off track antics of British motorsport. Or click the info card that's about to come up on the screen about now, for all our viewers that enjoy our history content. Don't worry, we are not going anywhere. This is just a little extra for those interested in exclusive behind-the-scenes content.
Scenic.
Very. Apart from these
No.
bugs,
That's why you wear a hat on.
apart from the bugs, it's very scenic. There's a big car park here where you can come and park your car and get that boat ride that we was looking at earlier.
Oh, that boat was stunning, TJ.
Absolutely amazing boat. It's even got facilities so you can have some refreshments and some beverages while you're aboard. Lots of families.
Oh, look at that house over there, TJ.
Wow, that is stunning. What was he saying about the gnats, BTC Angel?
Apparently, if you blow smoke at them, they
Yeah.
go away.
Oh, you've heard that, Colonel?
Yep.
You blow smoke at the gnats, they go away.
Yep.
Let me explain, TJ. Good to see you, BTC Angel, and good to see you, Colonel. Smoke suffocates them like it does us, but they can't prevent breathing it, so they'll avoid it altogether if they can. And now you know, viewers. Big shout out to all the viewers and the subscribers. If you like how hard we work here at Walking in History, then subscribe. Don't forget, viewers, if you buy us a coffee, then we'll give you a shout out. Keep exploring with us. Share, and give the video thumbs up and comment. See you soon.
Again, look.
Let's see if we can get a bit closer, TJ.
Yeah, as long as they don't fall in the Thames.
Oh.
There we are, viewers, it's just coming down the river. Let's give them a wave, viewers, and see if they wave back. Wave. No, no one seems to be waving, BT Angel.
No, I don't think they can see TJ. They're looking at the house.
I think they're looking at the
Yeah.
houses, yes. But she beat the horn to us. Fantastic.
Walking in history, step by step. Walking in history.